Hello students, today I am going to teach you subject geography of class 8. This is chapter 2, land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. Today we will take the topics soil, soil profile and factors of soil formation. So first you see come to know what is soil. Then the thin layer of grainy substance covering the surface of the earth is called soil. It is closely linked to the land. Means landforms determine the type of soil. Soil is made up of organic matter, minerals and weathered rocks found on the earth. This happens through the process of weathering. The right mix of minerals and organic matter make the soil fertile. Then you come to know that first thing the landforms determine what type of soil will be. A landform means mountainous slopes or plains, which type of land it is where the soil is made. Second important thing you come to know that it is made up of organic matter. Organic matter, all of you know, dead and decay materials of the plants and animals. And what makes the soil fertile? That is important. The right mix of minerals and organic matter. And weathered rocks are also found. Then you should know what is weathering. See this box. The breaking up and decay of exposed rocks by temperature changes, frost action, plants, animals and human activity. So these are the causes by which we see the breaking up and decay of rocks, and they are also important for making the soil. Now next one, that is you can see this one, that is soil profile. At you can see the bottom layer, that is known as parent rock, the rock by which the soil is formed. In the second layer, that are the layer of weathered rock material. After that, the third layer, that is subsoil, it is known as subsoil. And what are found in this subsoil? That is sand, silt and clay. And the topsoil, that is topsoil and with humus and vegetations are found here. So these are the different layers of soil, that is known as soil profile. Now come to next topic, factors of soil formation. Then the major factors of soil formation are the nature of the parent rock and climatic factors. But other factors are also there. They are topography, role of organic matter and time taken for the composition of soil formation. And all these things differ from place to place. Then see how these factors affect the soil formation. The first one, see parent rock. It determines color, texture, chemical properties, mineral content and permeability. Second factor, that is relief. Relief means altitude and slope. What is the height, what type of slope it is, they determine accumulation of soil. Now next one, that is flora, fauna and microorganisms. They affect the rate of humus formation. Next, that is climate, and in climate, temperature, rainfall influence rate of weathering and humus formation. And the important factor, that is time, it determines thickness of soil profile. And one thing also important to know, that it takes hundreds of years to make just 1 centimeter of soil. So students, today you have studied about soil profile and factors affecting soil formation. Thank you.